All right, we're going to go check out the signature suite, which appears to be the nicest room at this hotel. Okay.
We do need some lights.
We do need some lights.
Because you can hear her, but you can't see her.
You don't really need to see me here. Let's. All right, I'm flipping light switches.
Closet light.
Okay, well.
No, there's lots of switches around here somewhere.
Let's see, what other switch can I find? Ooh, this carpet is squishy.
So this is our little initial walk into the room / apartment.
Yeah, I mean.
I wonder if it's squishy because it's new, is what you're saying.
Maybe. Oh, there's a fireplace.
Doubled French doors, basically, leading to the bedroom.
Wow.
Oh. Yeah, we're not doing a full room tour yet, but we are both very wowed. There's just too many light switches in here. Oh, here we go.
Okay, well, good. You figured them out. Oops, there you go. Figured out a light switch.
Okay, I'm behind the camera, but I am actually speechless. Because you have a huge bedroom with 2 chairs, a 4-poster
This is as big
bed.
as a normal.
This is a house bedroom.
This is a normal hotel room. And then we still have a living room.
Then you have a living room that pulls out to a couch. You basically have a nice apartment.
This is an
honestly.
apartment.
That's where I'm blown away. We will give you a quick view and then do a whole... Oh, wow. Okay, then before you get in the bathroom, you have a jacuzzi tub.
Oh, wait. There's another fireplace.
Oh, wow. Okay.
That's
and another
sweet.
fireplace. Towel racks. Interesting. Well, I'm sitting in front of her, but I'm like, okay, hey, it's fake candles, but it's mood setting. Oh, wow. Okay. My wow was it's a nice large bathroom. You have an average shower. Okay. Actually, it's a nice looking shower.
Oh, that is nice.
But I was going to say average size shower.
Yeah.
But then I don't know if you can tell from the bathroom, it's a giant shower. Giant bathroom is what I'm trying to say. All right, we will give you a complete room.
All right, we're going to go check this out. And all right, so let's take you on a more expensive tour of our digs for the evening. Full fridge and freezer. Microwave, Keurig, ice bucket, sink. Already checked, there's nothing in any of these cabinets or drawers. A lovely 4-seater table. A desk, perfect for editing our YouTube. A comfy couch that we already checked does not pull out.
I was curious.
But they did say this was a room for 2, so.
I don't know if you guys can see, there is just tons of space in this room. You could put an air mattress in here if you really wanted to put
If you really wanted to, yeah, you could dump an air mattress in here. There's plenty of room for activities, as the stepbrothers say.
And then for the room, for the ones that care, there's a TV up there and a fireplace.
And there's a little bit of decor. It's like kind of country, but still modern. So it's really nice. Control for the fireplace is there. It's got a timer on it.
And then 2 French doors, I guess you'd say, as you go into the bedroom.
For dramatic effect. We'll start over here with the other side of the fireplace, which does actually give off heat. It's not just for show.
And then you can actually see through. So there you go.
Another TV. There's a pretty nice view out this window of the back patio of the Blue Gate. And you can see the pool building from here.
Because there's actually fire pits out there. I don't know if they're going to have them turned on later. We can always check and see, or how that's going to be. Because it is about 25 degrees outside. And the wind chill's like 18. So,
we'll investigate that later. Some lovely chairs to sit and watch TV in. A 4-poster king-size bed, which is pretty comfy. I like it.
We're making the assumption, but we'll go ahead and say it. Probably Amish-made furniture, because we're in Amish country. So
it is all real wood.
heavy,
It's not.
Yeah.
It is not IKEA furniture. The closet of no entrance.
We're going with utility closet.
The controls for the tub fireplace. How fancy. Jacuzzi tub with a lovely headrest and instructions.
I'm going to turn out the lights for a minute. Just because we turned on that fireplace, which gives off a little bit of heat too. And then they have candles for you. Battery candles, but hey, it's more about ambiance. Boy, does that give off heat.
We'll head into the bathroom. So what do we got here? We've got dual sinks, some Be Kind hand wash and lotion.
No, trip over my own feet. Knowing our editor, our son, he will leave that in there.
Yeah, so, it's
So
fine.
there you go. I didn't fall. Just tripped over my own feet.
No injuries.
Started with a nice big mirror.
The throne. So many towels. There's towels out there. There's towels here. I love that. I love having plenty of towels.
I think there's like 6 or 8 towels for a room set for 2 people.
And the shower. It looks like a basic shower head, but at least it's high. So, if you're tall, that's more Be Kind toiletries in there.
She mentions high because I am 5'6", and we go to a lot of hotels that the shower head is hitting me in the head. It's definitely under 6 foot.
And our son is 6 foot tall and has to duck in some
Yep,
places.
because he
So
stayed in some showers with us at chain hotels, let's say. Usually Hilton's. That he has to duck down.
I don't know, it's very nice. It's like, not marble, quartz maybe, I don't know, but it is stone-like. Whole place is very fancy. You can tell it's got...
They put 6 or 8 pictures online, and we had a picture in our head. We were hoping it was good as that. We are blown away. This is an exciting... I don't know. There's not too many times you go to a hotel and it looks better than the picture you have in your head from the pictures you've seen in reviews or online. We are astonished. I mean, you have a giant room. It would be a great... If it was 2 people, it'd be a great apartment.
Yeah.
I'm like, you have a living room, you have a full-size kitchen, you have an amazing bedroom, enough room to put 2 chairs and another air mattress, and you got a couch.
So if you're celebrating something special, just you and your honey, anniversary, honeymoon, you just want to splurge a little bit. This is, and I'm going to go on the limb and say it, this is the best hotel room in Shipshewana that you're going to find.
And it is right next to the Blue Gate Theater, I think.
Yeah, the Blue Gate Performing Arts Center, I think is what they call it.
But throughout the year, like in February, they've got Larry the Cable Guy, I think Jeff Foxworthy, they've got a lot of
They get a lot of country artists, tribute bands. There's always something going on. So you could just literally come out the door of the hotel, walk maybe 100 yards, there you are.
It's not a block, it's practically in the same parking lot. So if that's something that interests you. But yes, this is an amazing room. We have been disappointed many times. This is very exciting. Don't know if you guys can tell, but we are just blown away by the picture painted online. It just doesn't do it justice.
And we're going to show you the rest of the hotel, which isn't too shabby either.
No, they actually have a highly rated little restaurant. I guess you'd say it's like pizza and chicken nuggets, like a snack area with ice cream that people that had stayed here had raved about. And even when you look at restaurants in Shipshewana, they were like, stop by there.